Your feelings and I know I'm a bad boy, walking with a bad hand. But trust me, my God, they good at apologizing every time. It's from no good at my money. I know I'm hurting. I know it's us when you love, I know love, but I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. No, I'm sorry.
So guys, I know say this guy when we find Olasphere, I not just know the full name like that, sha. But the guy went see that music when I post for my page. So
Get one song where I just dropped. Title now, I'm sorry. So I don't know. I'm not taking much of your time. I just want to plan for you, make you just feel like my baby.
What do you want me to do now? I get appointment by this time and they come somewhere.
I just want to plan for you, make you just feel like my baby.
No, bros. I get appointment later.
I know they take much of your time.
No, bros.
I beg you.
Why you they follow me now? No, bros.
I know they take much.
I beg. Come on, yeah. So. Why you they follow me now? No, bros. I beg. Come on, yeah. So.
Sad when I cannot beg. When I hurt your feelings and I know.
So we see the waka around to make sure say we get the guy, but they already show us say the guy they also from one place. So guys, now there we they go tea well and so take two with us after they go there. The guy there so. Afana, my guy.
What up, bros?
Okay, I know say you not too know me like that. I be Urhobo Kpako TV. Are you be Ola Nabi?
Yes, sir.
Ola what? What is that your full name?
Olasphere.
Olasphere. Okay, what you call it do for you now? Okay, if you get one of your video where we see, I beg cameraman beg just come in there if you with it. You get one of your video when we see online when somebody share give me. Cause anyway you take go freestyle, you be musician, Abi? You sing. You sing. And then the guy be this now. So you go freestyle your music to somebody, the person call like may you come up for here, say you don't want to listen to your music.
Yes.
That's what happen, Abi.
Yes.
Not be lying. So which I will just try tell you. No any challenges when they pass through, any obstacle or any disappointment when they pass through now. Not reason at the end. I know say most people when it starts like this, when they're big, all those them Davido, Whiskey, you don't know what they don't pass through. They don't just don't know what they don't pass through for streets before they reach the stage when they day. Many disappointment go there, but you know give up. You hear me? You go see the push on. So call the okay, what's it called now? You they miss they give people when they said block abi.
No, they gonna do this place now. I mean they mix the sound, give them.
Okay, what will be the challenge when you see the pass through for your musical career? Like, you they get any support? I be now only you just the package.
No, only me just the package. And this thing that they do website take support my. Get one song I just drop. Now this morning say I they gather. Now I take do this song. Say I they even promote this song now.
Imagine somebody go see you see take the time, still strong go for this kind of work. They go release music, they go see the push, say they don't want to listen to her. But if you don't blow now, they call they say I be fan. This guy, see guys, I beg, make they support the upcoming.
Oh, wow.
People when they start like this, they make they support them because you don't know who go be who tomorrow. You understand? So I don't know whether I feel listen to your song now. I must see feel the vibe now.
Yeah, but my phone is off now.
Oh yeah, now go find somewhere. Go plug on. You understand? Move So you go play the music now. But wait, guys, fans, I beg. You won't play the music now. I'm gonna follow. So I beg, more listen to the song. As they play, I beg you go vibe follow.
Okay. Oh no. I wish I don't have a conscience, cause my heart from me when I'm alone. I feel sad when I cannot beg. when I hurt your feelings, and I know I'm a bad boy, walking with a bad hand. But trust me, my God, they good at apologizing every time. It's from the humble that my money. I know I'm hurting. I know it's us when you love and you not love, but I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Oh no, girl, I am sorry. When I hurt your feelings, I know I'm sorry. Baby, shy to see. I know fit to talk waiting, I don't see. When I said I'm done is when I foresee. What's Baba making shakity? Says my heart is bleeding. That is why I'm pleading. Deep down it touched my spirit. Now my soul is bleeding. So don't hurt me now. I'm so down, can you turn me on? The hot thought I'm drunk. I'm so high, but not taking drugs. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
What's the vibe?
No. I'm sorry. When I hurt your feelings, I know I'm sorry.
Oh, yeah. Call it off. Man, wait. Can you music with this?
Yes.
Ha. Guys, make I not talk. May not be like say that when they pass the final judgment. How you see this music? I beg, drop your comments on the comment section. Just drop your comment on the comment. How you see this music, man? This music mad. Honestly, the music mad.
The vibe
But,
to go.
Wait. Where you for come? Cause where you for come?
Lagos.
Lagos.
Yes, sir.
Okay, meaning not be a Braka person.
No, I just came from Lagos to see one of my friends.
Wait, you come from Lagos, come see your friend here.
Yeah.
From there now, you can't decide to do as a setting of block and all those things.
Yes, just like when I came to him, you see that everything is not going fine. So he's also doing what was this? He's also helping someone, shy. He's also helping someone. So that's why I came to just help people here,
Wow.
so I can just get.
It's your music mad, you mad. This guy now also like the same song. He come all the way from Lagos. I didn't even face a Urhobo guy before. No, it's not Urhobo guy, but one love, Nigeria, one love. You understand? In a Yoruba guy, na be Yoruba. In a Yoruba guy, but now Abraka for Ethiopia East Delta State. Now in day so. So I say na Urhobo guy, but you try. Now one love, see they keep us together. You understand? You know me, not really matter the tribe, say Urhobo or Yoruba or Hausa. You understand? And I really like the music. Share the sound so I go post on. So fans, I beg, make una still follow this guy. What will be your social media handle?
Olasphere.
Olasphere.
Yes, Olasphere,
Okay.
no
No,
platform.
no, I go drop a handle for the comment section. And the music day, audio man,
They're everywhere.
they're everywhere.
No platform.
So just go Google, just search for. Or I go drop a handle, just search for your name. Go saw your music, stream the song, follow on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram. The guy did even YouTube self. Hey, video they did there. Oh yeah, nah.
Thank you.
The song make.
What a
Mad.
video.